How to download and install Forza Horizon 4 or 5 on your PC. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to download and install Forza Horizon 4 or 5 on your PC. For that, first head over to your web browser and simply search for Steam Download. Once you download Steam, just open it up and make sure that you're logged into your account. I go to the search icon and simply search for Forza Horizon, and you'll find this Forza Horizon 5. I'll just click on it, and it's going to take me to the game page. And if you want to know more about the game, you can scroll down here and read about the game. To download it, actually, you just go ahead and select the option to download. There are different options for different bundles as well. So here is the standard edition, which I'm going to add to cart. Now you can just click on view my cart. Once you have done that, you can just go ahead and head over to checkout. Click on continue to payment, then select your payment method. Add your card details as well as your expiration date, then billing information with your full name, city, your billing address and all. And finally, click on continue and the game should be purchased. Once purchased, you can find it on your library at the top. And once you've installed, you should see this play option and enjoy the game from here. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.